Doing a hip flexor dynamic stretch for the warm up. So with hip flexor stretch, we're going to do like a lunge movement. We're going to be walking through it. So go for a slight lunge. So make sure that when you're lunging, the knees are not going past the toe. And keep on going. I'm going forward. Going to go right through. So the torso is upright. Stepping through again. Through. That's good. So you should feel it in your quadriceps. Come on, the other direction.
Oh, I feel it, yeah.
That's good. Feel the quads. You okay? You feel it there? That's good. One more time. Moving forward. Full front foot. That's good. One more time. Good. So warm up the quadriceps and the glutes as well with this dynamic stretch. Okay. One more time. It's good. It's good. Torso upright. That's good. That's good. All right. Excellent. It's good. Okay, let's go. Come on. Yeah. So we're going to use the stepper for the warm up. So before we start off, we have the ankle joint up and in the foot, lower body. We good? All right. So what's going to happen? We're going to use both arms to hold the stepper. Then you use them each feet at each time step and the lower steps. Then you can proceed on the way up. You use the handles. You can step up. Always keep your arms on the handles. I'll push it up top. Keep going up top. That's good. Okay. So as you can see, we have the go button. I'm start you off. So once that's started, it's going to start after a countdown of 3. Just a minute. All right. So come further. Come some more. So come some more. So let me make sure that each feet come up some more. That's it. That's perfect. All right. So make sure you're keeping your chest upright, facing forward. Make sure that you can get as much of your foot on the stepper as much as possible. Obviously, if your feet's a little bit bigger than the step, part of the heel will be off the step a little bit. All right. So as we have here, we have your heart rate. So we have the heart rate shown along this side. So it gives you a rough estimation of where your current heart rate is. So normally the flows would go up. So again, now we have steps per minute here. So I'm currently doing 20 steps per minute. Also shows your calories burned. Down the bottom we have the time that has already passed. So far you're going for 58 seconds. Now to increase the difficulty, we have levels along this side. So with this, you can increase the speed at which the stepper goes. Go a little bit faster. Step up more, step up more, step up more. Alright, so lower, a little bit too fast. So want to make sure that you can come a little bit more. That's it. So want to make sure that your upper torso is not tilting over your lower torso. So want to be upright at all times with hands and handle. Now, whenever you reach like a certain level, of course, when you get like I'm used to using stepper, you can stop using your arms. But for now, we're gonna have you using your arms. So as you can see, we have more features here: the fat burn, cardio, personal training, the Halo Plus. These features I'll show you at another date. All right? And how are you feeling? You okay? All right, that's good. That's good. I'm going for a few more seconds. That's good. So always make sure your knees are not going past your toes up as much as possible. That's good. And then we're going to slow it down a bit. So we're going to slow it down. Then we're going to stop. We're going to slowly proceed to come up. So when we're coming up, we're going to use both handles again. Both handles, 1 feet at a time. We're stepping out. All right.
You're going to slide in this way, sticking your feet just underneath this pad, as you can. Making sure that your feet are in line with the point right here, your knees, which is perfect. And this isn't pushing back on your legs, which is good. Right there, having it on the base of your shin, not on your foot. And the back, footrest is in good placement. How does that feel for you though? Feels good? All right. To demonstrate, we'll have you do lighter weight. Now what you're gonna do is you're going to press forward with your shins, bring it almost all the way without locking out your knees. So I'm gonna have you do that for a couple of repetitions just to see how your form is. Okay, and can I ask where you're primarily feeling this right now? In your quadriceps? Okay, perfect. Have you do a couple more repetitions, just to complete the set. Alright, perfect. That should be good. And to exit the machine, you come out just the same way that you entered. And perfect.
All right.
Alright, so for the cool down stretch, we're going to be doing the butterfly to warm up our abductors and adductors. So we're going to be bringing it to the ground. Having your feet, we're just going to start off feet fully extended. Then we're going to bring our left and our right. Now you can have your hands at the base of your toes. You can have them at your heel, whatever's more comfortable. And what you're going to do is with your elbows, push down into your legs. And that way you'll be stretching your adductors. We're going to hold this stretch for 10 seconds. Trying not to round at the upper back, trying to keep yourself straight up. And now we can release. We're going to do this stretch 2 more times. So we're going to reach for the toes again. The elbows drive into the knees. 7, 8, 9, 10. And release with a big breath. And we'll be doing it one more time. Again, driving into your legs with your knees. That completes the stretch. Maybe along the inner quadricep. Yep. Perfect. That completes the cool down stretch.